How to curve text in MS Word. In today's video, I want to guide you on how to curve any text in MS Word 2026. This process is very simple. Come to your device and open MS by searching for MS and open it like this. Then go and click a new document. Once you click a new document, then you need to expand it like this so that you have access to the full screen and be able to do whatever you want to do in a very few minutes. Come and click this insert button. Come to this place where you see art button, insert WordArt, click on it. Now you can click on any design or texture that suits you the most here. So let's go for this. Once you click on this, then I want to take you, drag this one to the center of this place until you have this icon come out. Now write your text inside this place. Now that I've typed in your text like this, now you can control or to change the color of the text inside this box. Let's go for red. Now then as well, you can go and change this the fonts, the bold, the text, and any other thing you can do here. And I've done that, then come over to this place where you see shape format. Click on shape format. Now here where you see this button here, this button effect text, click on this small icon. Now scroll down until you get to transform. Here just move your mouse over transform. You have access to different options here. Arch, you can see inverted arch, circle, and lot more in this place. So let's click on this one. Once you click on this one, you have it like this. Then you can now drag this downward to any length so that you're able to have the text curved like this. That's all guys on how to curve any text in MS Word 2026. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.